Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily create a private story on Snapchat. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button if you found the video helpful. So first of all, open up the Snapchat on your phone, and after opening it you'll have to click on your Bitmoji on the top left corner, and then scroll down a bit, and right here you'll be able to find a section of My Stories, and just below My Stories you'll be able to find an option of Add to Private Story, or you can simply tap on Create New Story and tap on New Private Story. After that, you can name the story, like you can search for any of your contacts, and you can easily choose someone from this list to whom you want to send or share your story. For example, I will select a random friend like this, and then hit create story, and then you can name the story, and I will simply click on save, and now you can see that my story is successfully created. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.